Nwakibe ya address ndị be anyị obere nwa mitiri on time.
Daddy, good afternoon.
Welcome.
Odogun Odan, no work out for Nebu Wanketa. Sit down. You sent for me, Mpa?
Yes.
Chidera, you know the thing. I'm invincible now. You didn't
Oga, you did not call me for meeting. You put on meeting. Papa called for a meeting. Oborogun, I'm not here to exchange pleasantries with you because let's know why we are here. Papa, you sent for me.
Chidera, you are a big name in this community now. Ana Madama. Sitano Lopowanama. Charity begins from home. Chidera, look at your father's house.
I know Jesus.
Just see your father's house. Is this house okay? Chidera, at least if you cannot demolish it and build a new befitting house for your father. Renovate it.
Papa, who owns this house?
I am the one now.
I know it's your house. What I'm saying is that Achoga and Honge, in case of tomorrow you are no more, who will inherit this house?
By tradition, the first son will inherit the house. Your eldest brother here is the one that should inherit the house in case they look for me tomorrow and I'm not there.
So why is the Diokpara not doing anything about the house? Ha! The last time I entered this house, why is the first son not doing anything about his inheritance? Why is he silent about it? Can you just program?
Chidera, you shouldn't be saying this now.
Oga, don't tell me that. That statement of that statement of a poor man. What didn't they do for you? What didn't Papa here do for you? Answer me. What did he do for you? He started at early age, started training you. He sent you out there so that you can go and make money and help your siblings. What did you do? He sent you to school. The only thing I heard that you got admission, women matriculation, I did not know.
I know Jesus.
The next thing I heard you have graduated. When you did your graduation, I did not know. Nothing. Next thing they sent you to go and learn handwork. Next thing they sent you abroad. You went there for how many years? Nothing to show for it. You only came back here with gallery full of memory. That's the only thing you showed us. Did you bring anything back home? Nothing. As if that wasn't enough, you went and sold the only piece of land and will use it and buy this cable. Jesus! Since this is spoiled here, have you been able to fix it?
My God.
Papa, if you are tired of staying in this house, I will give you the keys to my house. You go there and stay. But for me to come and renovate this house or rebuild it, tomorrow he will come out and tell me I'm the first son. The man I'm the first son. We'll start having issues. I will not do it. There are consequences for every action. Or you go and let him bear the consequences. I won't. Because you used to tell me that how you make your bed,
that's the way you lie in it.
Bam. Use this one and hold yourself. Let me start going.
Thank you, my son.
Come, let's go. Lolo. Which Lolo? No, which Lolo? The one you said I should not marry? I will leave you and go. Oga, Obato Su, na me. Obato Bie, na still me. I give me shishi.
Wait. Your brother asked you not to marry me.
No, he did not say that. I only said it because I don't want him to beg you. If he begs you now, you will beg me, and you know I cannot say no to you. The plan is for nobody to beg.
Was there a time I said I'd be a good person before?